the pressure?
It is defined as a perpendicular force act in a per unit area. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal.
Now, we will perform an activity to understand what is pressure.
Hey audience, what will happen if Manish stand on one balloon?
Now, we will add more balloons. Why did this happen?
This happens because when we increase the number of balloons, the area of contact will increase and the pressure exerted on each balloon will decrease. That's why he is able to stand balance on these balloons.
So, we can conclude that pressure decreases with area.
Now we will see real life applications of the pressure.
Camels have flat feet to reduce the pressure act on the sand.
Have you ever wondered that sleepers are present on the railway tracks?
The railway track have sleepers under them to reduce the pressure on the ground.
Magician slept on a iron nail bed. This happened because the number of iron nail is greater and the area is greater. Hence, the pressure in each nail will lesser.
Now, we will talk about liquid pressure. Hey Manish, can you tell me about what is liquid pressure?
Yes, the liquid pressure is the pressure which exerted on by the liquids.
In which direction it's act?
The liquid pressure acts on all the directions.
Now we will perform an activity to understand the liquid pressure.
We take two containers and we attach the balloon at their bottoms.
Are you able to see these two balloons? Now, we will fill same quantity of water in these two containers. What do you think? In which container the balloon will expand more?
As we can see, the balloon in this water bottle expanded less because the height of water is less, so the pressure will be less.
As we can see, the size of balloon is bigger because the height of water is greater and the pressure is greater.
So we can conclude that liquid pressure is depend on the height of the water.
Now, we will see some real life application of liquid pressure.
The fishes that live in the deep ocean are small in size because they survive in the high pressure. So they have also a high blood pressure to survive in the ocean.
The submarines have thick walls to survive